Hello, my name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky, and my area of expertise is medical hypnotherapy, guided imagery, nutrition, and exercise. Today, we're going to discuss something which you will not believe, and that is infertility. You can believe the fact of infertility, but what you're going to hear today is how hypnosis can increase fertility. I am not really going to discuss all the ins and outs of infertility, the causes, but let me say that the causes of infertility can be either male or female related or both. In other words, the female can have, for argument's sake, blocked tubes, and the male's sperm count can be low. So trying to get that female pregnant is a bit of a challenge, but it is being done today. Let's start with the female. The female can have abnormally low hormones like estrogen and progesterone or follicle stimulating hormone, which is the cause of the infertility. The male can have non-functioning testes, abnormal sperm count, abnormal sperms, and decrease in the male hormone testosterone. Let's assume now you go to a gynecologist and they start treating you. Eventually it will come to, for the female, it'll come to something called IVF, intrauterine fertilization. Now, this test is extremely expensive and is oftentimes does not work. While a female especially and the male is going through this tension of trying to get pregnant, what happens? Stress develops. In a previous life, I used to deliver children, I used to treat infertility, and I used to operate on patients with abnormalities in the uterine ovarian tract. Suffice it to say that while that can be done, all that can be done, it's extremely stressful, especially for the female and the male, because they feel they are the cause of being infertile. What I have done, we have all seen, at least I have and other gynecologists have seen, when eventually the couple gives up and says enough is enough, they adopt a child, and within 6 to 9 months, the female gets pregnant. Unbelievable. Why? Because the stress has been relieved. Now, let us take that stress relief and handle it in a different type of a manner. In a manner where we use the hypnosis videos to decrease the stress, and where you are taught how to visualize the ovum, the ovary producing the ovum or the egg, how through visualization both female and male are showed how to increase secretion of those necessary hormones. And folks, if you think that cannot be done, I beg to differ. It can, because the mind is so powerful that the mind can do this. By listening to the hypnosis videos for male and female infertility, you become empowered to assist yourself in getting pregnant. You do it twice a day and listen to the voice in the hypnosis twice a day, and I cannot guarantee that you will get pregnant, but I certainly believe that by adding hypnosis in, which is not expensive at all, there will be a greater chance for you to become pregnant. You are empowering yourself to become pregnant, because when you go to the OBGYN and the male urologist, everything is being done to you. How about if you do something for yourself? The videos contain the hypnosis which directs you to secrete the female and male hormone. It assists you in visualizing unblocked tubes or absence of tumors, etc. So let your doctors do what they do best, but you should do something yourself to empower yourself by doing hypnosis, nutrition, and exercise, all of which are subject matters on my website, drmedicalhypnosis.com. drmedicalhypnosis.com. I thank you very much for listening. My name is Dr. Hillel Mazansky.